guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to install the VSCode on the Mac. Let's get started. So you would have to search for VSCode like this, and when the first link shows up, you would click this and you would see download for Mac. You click that as well, and then you wait for it to download. So now that it is done downloading, I'll simply double click this to unzip the zip file. I'll simply copy this and then click this and then Ctrl V to paste. I already have it installed, so I would just do it again, and you can go ahead and delete the two downloaded files. When you check your Launchpad, you realize the VSCode is in there. So Visual Studio Code, this is it. So you can click to launch it. I would say open. When it's done opening, you would have to configure the shell command for VSCode. So you would press Command P and then type greater than and then type shell. You see shell command install code command impact. So I'll simply click this and then I'll say okay. So it will require you to type your password. So I'll do that. The code command has been successfully installed. So I can simply do something like this to check. Sorry, I would say code -v, and it will give you the version. If everything checks out good, you would have something like this, or let's see, something like this, and it will open VSCode. So you can use this code command to open folders from the terminal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.